Right, this is Brian from Iconic Autobody. Brian, do you want to tell us about your lovely Speedster?
Yeah, great, okay. It's based on a 987, 2005 onwards. And
that's the second gen, isn't it?
That's the second gen. So 2.7 this one is, but it can be up to 3.4 if you want. Tiptronic or PDK or just manual, as this one is. Like take round. Okay.
So is this, would you class this as a rebody, yeah?
Yeah, it's a rebody.
Wow, look at that, that looks all OEM. I take it that's where the water goes for the windscreen washer, yeah?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Okay, that is absolutely... So what inspired you to go down this route to develop a modern day interpretation of a retro Speedster?
I love the Speedster shape.
Yeah.
Having driven one based on a Beetle, it's not my bag basically. I like a bit more power, a bit more handling, and I thought why not? 987 Porsche. Well, we did it on a 986 first, and they're just fantastic cars.
Oh, so you did it on the first gen, did you?
Yeah, 986 first.
Okay.
So we moved on to 987. It's a taller, better handling car. It doesn't suffer from any IMS problems
That's
like
right,
the 986s. But they are just a better and newer car. Nicer dashboard.
Go on, let's see. Do you want to go through some of the work you've done? So you've done a bit of an interior, you've done the classic vents on the seats, yeah?
Well, we got Porsche Pepita inserts. That's actually more expensive than the actual leather itself.
Wow, really?
Okay, yeah, we put some eyelets in just to give that retro look.
Yeah.
We've recoloured the whole of the door cards and the dashboard. We've done this steering wheel, recarpeted it. The windscreen is our windscreen.
Oh, hang on. Now, how did you do that? Did you chop the windscreen itself, or
no?
What's the trick?
No, basically, what we've done is we've raised the body up the windscreen, and that gives the impression of a small windscreen. So, hence, we had to have windscreens made. Okay, but this is heated as well.
Wow.
So we thought, you know, we might as well go the whole hog and have it heated as well for what it is.
Brian, you don't mess about, do you?
Well, at the end of the day, it makes sense. Here's the boot. Oh yeah, we've got an elevated spoiler.
Oh, you're joking.
Which you need,
wow.
To be honest, at 70 mile an hour, it comes up.
So this retro beauty even has an elevated spoiler. My God.
Here's the boot.
It's like, where's the bloody engine gone, isn't it?
Yeah, it's in the middle.
Yeah.
Underneath the hood.
Wow.
Not a lot to see.
No, but it's all sort of, like I said, looks bespoke, doesn't it?
This is the elevated spoiler, that lifts up.
Yeah. That's amazing. Right.
In fact, I'll just get that spoiler.
Yeah, that'd be great to see that come up.
Is that going up?
Yeah, that is right. That is well fancy. That is amazing. And of course, that helps it gives you a bit of traction, doesn't it?
Easier downforce.
Yeah. Do you want to let us talk about the wheels for us as well?
Yeah, sure. I'll just lower that down. Basically, the wheels are a billet three-piece. They're specially made for the car. We've gone for the Y5 style. Those are actually fake because the PCD, the Porsche, are underneath there. So there's the cover.
You couldn't tell.
Well, you know what? That is how wide the original Y5s are, and it looks kind of crazy, but it works with the car. You can put Baby Moon chrome hubcaps on those if you want as well.
Yeah.
Let's just close the. I'll put the hood up if you want.
Please, yeah. If you could do that, that'd be great. Now you get the proper sense of proportion when you see that car now. That looks proper. That looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it? Now, you do self builds and also and you assemble them yourself. Is that correct?
That's right. We'll sell the kit as well.
And basically, it's a rebody. Is that correct?
It's a rebody. There's a few bits and bobs that you have to change. There's trimming of some of the panels before the car, the body goes on. They're all bonded on. We supply the bonding agents and the primers with the kit as well, and all the bracketry. Right.
Okay. No, that's amazing. And also, if someone wants it self-built, you can do that yourselves as well. Yeah.
We build them in the factory as well. Yes.
Yeah. Yes. That's right. Okay. And what is the kit? How much am I looking at for the kit itself?
The kit is shy of £10,000.
Yeah. Now you say
there are parts to buy after.
Yeah.
Okay. A lot of these parts you can get off eBay. They are Speedster parts. You can get them mostly anywhere. Basically, you can either get reproduction ones or the real Speedster Porsche stuff.
That is brilliant, and it's all sort of. Actually, do you want to quickly talk about the door and how you got the handles to work?
Oh right, okay, yeah.
Because I take it you've just gone over it, have you?
Yeah, we've just over-skinned over the top of the original door skin. Okay. Yeah, if you look here, that's where the body joins on.
Ah, right. Yeah.
Okay, that's it. That's and it goes there, and that's bonded on around there. So that's all moved.
And has the suspension been lowered for this?
This hasn't been lowered yet. It needs lowering. Basically, we only lower the front of the car.
Yeah. Because I was going to say the back end looks just about perfect.
It looks perfect already, doesn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. That's it, Brian. Thanks for showing us around. Cheers. Mate.
Thanks, mate.
Well, what can I say? That is an amazing body conversion for the Porsche Boxster, and gives it like that Restomod look, making it look like a modern day version of the Porsche 356 Speedster. It looks absolutely lush, and I'm going to be honest with you, I wouldn't mind owning one myself, and maybe one day in the future I may get this chance. It is absolutely stunningly gorgeous, and the workmanship is off the hook. This is definitely the car that Porsche should have made. Absolutely, without a doubt, Porsche should have done their own version of the 356 Speedster on a Boxster chassis themselves. It would have been, and I'm telling you, it would have been an all-time classic, in bestseller. But what can I say? Brian Hale from Iconic, master, genius craftsman. I mean, he is one of the best of the British coach builders that are around today. I've known him for, I think, since the mid-2000s, and looked at his work over the years, and it's just got better and better and better. What more can I say? Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please press a like if you did. It really helps the video channel, and I'm gonna hopefully see you soon.
If you liked this video, please feel free to subscribe to our channel, press the bell notification button, and get notified when a new video comes out. Please leave a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, please leave comments and let us know what your thoughts and suggestions are for future videos.
And we will see you in the future, if there is one.